It's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. How y'all doing? Y'all good? Can you hear me? Baby, can you hear me? Yeah? I just wanted to say something really quick. I just heard it. I know you guys are going to hear mew mews. I do have cats. So I have the door closed and behind the door, and listen, they do too much. So I think it's Puma that's by the door, and he's like having his little mews, little silent mews. So I do apologize if you hear that in the background. Okay. Guys, I have reached 2,500 subscribers, and I appreciate every single person that has subscribed. Thank you so much. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and get up and give you a hug. Thank you very much. Mega. Messy. If you're new here, my name is Esther. I also go by everything that I said in the beginning. These are DIY Microlocks. Me and my friends have installed my hair. They are not sister locks. I am not a sister lock loctician. I am a microlock loctician, and I'm going to give you a few updates of where my hair is at now currently. I'm excited. There have been a lot of changes within the 4 years. A lot has happened and a lot has transpired, and I've learned a lot. So let's go ahead and get started. My wash routine is completely different now. I remember I used to wash my hair like 5 to 7 days or 7 to 10 days in the earlier stages. It's no longer like that anymore. I just wash my hair whenever I feel like it's itching. Like if it itches in two weeks, I'm gonna wash it. If it itches in a month, I'm gonna wash it. I don't be in a rush to wash my hair as often as I used to when it was in the younger stages. But now I feel like my hair doesn't get as dirty. My scalp will tell me when I need a wash. Hey, don't judge me. Judge your man. I detest washing my hair in the shower. Okay? It takes a toll on me. It really does. I get so drained. My scalp is so tender because I do go past my retightening sometimes. I'm also tender-headed, and I feel like I have sensory issues just a little bit because when I am in the tub, the hair is so heavy. So I have to basically wash my hair in my suite in the wash bowl, which helps me tremendously with my neck, the hair. I don't feel it pulling and tugging. It's different. I love it. Boy, the washing when my hair is wet, it's something else. It's so heavy. I still moisturize my hair. I do add oil to my hair from time to time. I probably do it like once a week, sometimes every other week. My hair doesn't get too dry, but I do try to moisturize it because my hair is color treated. So at times I would probably use like oil sheen so that my hair could just be protected from the sun and from the heat. So, you know, a little something, but I do still moisturize my hair. I still condition my hair from time to time. Yes, I still use conditioner. Whenever I feel like my hair feels like it's about to fall off, I'll add a little bit of conditioner in it because my hair is color treated and I still have to treat my hair as if it is natural. If you didn't know, yeah. I'm not giving up my products, okay? I am not giving up. I cannot be dry over here. Cannot be dry. Okay? Can't be dry. I am on a 6 weeks maintenance schedule. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I just recently got my hair retightened and it took about 15 hours. My best friends have helped me with the retightening. They found my grid. We had combined. We had stretched. We did what we needed to do. Your girl is looking crispy. Okay. If you guys want me to do a lock count, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay. I don't know how many locks I have. I want to know too. I want to know. If you want to know, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't want to know, just give this video a thumbs up. If it's your first time on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Listen, baby, I know. Y'all see me. Y'all see the grades too. They being disrespectful. Do I plan on coloring my hair? That's a yes, because I do have grays. Okay? Y'all see it, I see it, and they see it. Everyone could see it. I can say my hair isn't as voluminous as it used to be, but a lot of people say for the length that I have, my hair still is full. I can say it's full, but it's not full. A lot of people say I have a lot of hair. I feel like I have a lot of hair, but not really. Sometimes I do feel like I'm a little bald-headed, just a little bit, just this much. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get alerts whenever I post a new video. Why is that? Hey, you know you already subscribed. I see you. All right, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.